Updating your camera's firmware can add new features or fix existing issues. Whether your camera is brand new or second-hand, it's always worth checking you're on the latest version of the firmware. To check your Sony camera's firmware, on your camera, press the menu button, then the toolbox menu, and find the option called Version. The camera I'm using in this example is the Sony ZV-E10. On other models, where the version option may vary slightly. As you can see, the version we're on is version 1.0. Now we need to check and download the latest version. Go to the Sony website, which I'll link in the description, and find your model of camera. You can see for the ZV-E10, version 2.0 of the firmware is available. You can see the list of improvements and changes being added with the update. Download the file for either Mac or Windows, and for this example the ZV-E10 update is about 300 megabytes. Once this is downloaded, before connecting your camera to the computer, find the file, likely in your Downloads folder, and open it up. Then, before doing anything else, make sure your camera is off and remove the memory card. Turn the camera back on again and navigate to the menu, then the toolbox menu, and set the USB connection option to mass storage. Then, with the camera still turned on, plug the camera's USB cable into your computer and the camera. Then we'll follow the on-screen instructions that pop up. You can see the firmware is updating from version 1.0 to 2.0, then click Next and the process will start. This will take around 10 minutes. Once the update is done, click Finish, and before disconnecting your camera, make sure the screen goes back to the USB mass storage screen before disconnecting. You can eject the camera safely using the Eject Hardware option on your computer. Your Sony camera firmware will then be updated, which you can of course check again in the menu. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like on the video if you enjoyed. It helps me out a lot. But until next time, see ya.